Excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, excuse me. Oh, that's it. I'm going home and I'm doing this online. By the time this video gets uploaded, parades and football will have been watched, turkeys and bellies will have been stuffed, and you will have unsuccessfully explained to your uncle why Mark Zuckerberg did not put any 5G microchips in his potato salad. I'm Dave with Remodel Media, and for the last 16 years I've helped people put together kitchens, baths, outdoor kitchens, and various other home renovation projects. I'm on a mission to eliminate regret, and I do that by bringing you the latest tips, tricks, and products for your home remodel. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, and ring that bell for notifications so you never miss an episode. Now sit right back as we get into the top 5 kitchen faucets available on Amazon for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. First up is the Kohler Simplice faucet. With an MSRP of around $500, you can usually pick up this faucet for $375 on the Kohler web store. It ships with an optional base plate to cover additional holes if needed. The pull-out hose is a durable braided design like we've talked about in other videos, and at the end of the hose is a pivot joint that decreases wear and tear on the faucet head. Finish this out with a magnetic docking system, and this is actually a really great faucet. I've used this faucet on a lot of different projects for a lot of different people. And you could pick this faucet up on Amazon right now for $273.33. That's over $100 off compared to the Kohler store. Next up on the list is the Moen Camerist Oil Rub Bronze One-Handle Low Arc Pull-Out Kitchen Faucet. Now, a low arc kitchen faucet is actually really useful on installations where clearance is an issue. For example, maybe there's a window behind the faucet and we don't want that faucet to block the view or to be visible through that window. This would be a great option. With an MSRP of $548.55, this faucet is normally pretty pricey, but you can pick it up on Amazon for $256.16. That's more than half off the original MSRP. Next up, also from Moen, we've got the Arbor High Arc Pull-Down Kitchen Faucet. With an MSRP of $525.55, this faucet comes in a little bit less than the Camerist. It has one really interesting feature. I present to you the Moen Power Boost feature. Now, this is a button on the spray head that produces a greater volume of water to fill pots and things like that faster, as you can see in this video. In fact, the only thing I don't understand is how they get around the water regulations, but if you don't tell, I won't. And this faucet is on Amazon right now for $236.50. Switching gears a little bit, I'm going to talk to you about the Delta Leland single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet in stainless steel. Now, when you see the DST indicated in Delta's model numbers, that stands for Diamond Seal Technology, which basically means that they have a graphite coating on their cartridges. Another really great feature is the 360-degree swivel spout. What this means is that the faucet can be mounted with the spout and handle facing in any direction, which is really great for left-handed users, or maybe there's a backsplash behind the faucet that you don't want the handle to hit. You can mount the handle in the front of the faucet. Another really great feature is the 20-inch flexible reach braided line hose, which again is very similar to other hoses that we've seen in the past. And you get all that for $177.33 right now on Amazon. The last faucet on our list is the Delta Essa single-handle pull-down kitchen faucet. Eagle-eyed viewers will spot this and say, Dave, that looks a lot like the kitchen faucet you did for your in-laws. And you would be right. The Essa is actually the successor to the Esk, which is the faucet that we did for my mother-in-law's kitchen. Now I'm going to slow the video down right here and we're going to demonstrate the SpotShield technology. Now, the best way I can think of to describe this particular spray setting, which is on most Delta faucets, including the two that we talked about today, is that it turns that water spray into sort of a laser focus beam, and it's really good for getting anything that might have sat on, dried on gunk overnight off of those dishes. And the fact that it went from an MSRP of $408.55 to $176.90 on Amazon today is why this faucet is at the top of the list, and we saved the best for last. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some good information out of that episode. Go ahead and click here for more videos. Go ahead and click here to subscribe. And make sure you check out the description below for relevant links to some of the products that we discussed today. And leave your comments and questions down below because I love answering them. As always, I'll see you in the next one.